If you want HandBrake to use your GPU instead of relying only on your CPU, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to switch HandBrake to a GPU encoder so you can speed up your video exports and make the process much more efficient. This is especially helpful if you work with large files, want faster encoding, or just want to take advantage of the graphics hardware already built into your computer. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open HandBrake and load the video you want to convert. You can do this by dragging your file into the HandBrake window or by clicking Open Source and selecting your video manually. Once your video is loaded, take a look at the tabs across the top and click on the Video tab. This is where all of your encoding settings are located, including the encoder itself. Now, find the Video Encoder drop-down menu. This is the key setting that determines whether HandBrake uses your CPU or your GPU for encoding. Click the drop-down and you'll see a list of available encoders depending on your hardware. If you have an Nvidia graphics card, choose either H.264 NVEnc or H.265 NVEnc. If you want better compatibility and faster output, H.264 is a great choice. If you want smaller file sizes and your device supports it, H.265 can be a better option. If you have an Intel processor with quick sync video support, select H.264 Intel QSV or H.265 Intel QSV. Intel QSV is designed to offload the encoding work to supported Intel graphics hardware, which can give you a big speed boost compared to software encoding. If you're using an AMD graphics card, select H.264 AMD-VCE or H.265 AMD-VCE. AMD-VCE is the hardware encoder built into supported AMD GPUs, and it can help HandBrake encode much faster than normal CPU-only rendering. And if you're on a Mac with Apple Silicon, choose H.264 VideoToolbox or H.265 VideoToolbox. VideoToolbox is Apple's built-in hardware acceleration framework, and it allows HandBrake to use the powerful media engines inside your Mac for faster exports. Once you've selected the encoder that matches your hardware, double-check your other settings such as preset, format, and quality to make sure everything looks right for your project. Then, all that's left to do is click Start Encode. HandBrake will begin processing the video using your chosen GPU encoder, and you should see the encode run much faster than a standard CPU-based export in many cases. If you ever want to confirm whether the GPU encoder is working, keep an eye on your system's GPU activity while the encode is running. In some setups, you may also notice lower CPU usage, which is a good sign that hardware encoding is doing the heavy lifting. And that's it. You now know how to make HandBrake use your GPU. This is one of the easiest ways to speed up your video workflow and save a lot of time, especially if you encode videos often. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.